Hey guys, it's Jacob, and today is a very bright and lovely day, so I thought, why not make my YouTube video outside? Yeah, but that's not the real reason I'm here. It's because we have this porch swing on our front porch here, and it has been sitting in the garage for basically all winter, so since maybe end of September to yesterday. So, yesterday, which was June 11th. And yeah, so the cats love to lay on this, and even though we put a blanket over it to protect it from hair, there's still cat hair on it. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you, if my camera will cooperate today. Yeah, it doesn't show on camera, but there is a lot of cat hair on here. So yeah, and we're going to be vacuuming up with the Shark Rotator powered liftaway with XL capacity. So first, why don't we get set up for vacuuming? So I already plugged it in off camera to save time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press the liftaway button. The liftaway button is this big silver button here. Just press it. It's basically all you have to do. Just pull it off. Now we're going to, let's make sure you can see this. Now we're going to press this silver button here and then pull out the handle. And then we're going to set this aside here. And then we're going to attach the mini motorized pet hair tool. Make sure we're getting all of this. Basically what this attachment is a mini power head for getting at pet hair from upholsteries and curtains and stairs, or maybe not curtains, but still stairs, but yeah. So it has a mini motor in here, hence the motorized brush bar name. And yeah, so basically, as a small brush bar, it's, yeah, very powerful, driven by a motor. So, yeah, why don't we get started on vacuuming? Alright, so I adjusted the camera angle so you guys can see. And prior to this video, I emptied the bin on the Shark and cleaned it out so we can see exactly what we've got. So I'm going to put the Shark's suction on full suction, aka the hard floor setting, which has full suction. I'm going to make sure the suction release valve is all the way shut. It has two positions. I'm going to make sure it's all the way shut. And yeah, so all I have to do is press the on button and the motorized brush bar will turn on. So here we go. One pass, the pet hair is all gone. You guys can see, but this is actually making the dirt bounce. It's doing a very good job of getting this cat hair also. Just to be sure we got it all, I'm going to go over this way now. Get the edges. honestly, I don't know if you can tell a difference on camera, but this, the shark did a pretty good job. Now let's see what we got. Alright, now let's see what the shark got from their perch swing. So I do want to note that I did throw a towel over these seats, so there wouldn't be any more cat hair. If your cats or dogs or any kind of pet that has fur and sheds constantly, I would recommend putting just putting a towel over their favorite spot to lay. And yeah, the pet hair will get on the towel and you can just wash the towel. And yeah, it'll keep getting clean. So yeah, so I have a blank piece of paper here. It's clean, free of debris. And just gonna zoom in first. And see what we got. Wow. That is a lot of dirt. Look at all this cat hair and sand. I did not expect this to be that dirty. I mean, there was just a thin layer of cat hair, but it was still semi-bad for a seat, but wow, we got so much dust and dander too. Wow. So, once again, excuse the lawnmower in the background, I am thoroughly impressed with this shark. It did a great job cleaning up a very unusual situation. So yeah, it can really just tackle any circumstance that you can throw in it. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you would like to see more videos on the shark, please hit the little eye on the top right corner of your screen. And yeah, just watch the videos and comment what you thought about the video. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, it's Jacob, and today is a very bright and lovely day, so I thought, why not make my YouTube video outside? Yeah, but that's not the real reason I'm here. It's because we have this porch swing on our front porch here, and it has been sitting in the garage for basically all winter, so since maybe end of September to yesterday. So, yesterday, which was June 11th. And yeah, so the cats love to lay on this, and even though we put a blanket over it to protect it from hair, there's still cat hair on it. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you. If my